Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? Gonna make a game today called 7 Words. It's an iPhone app. First, we start out by making a new project. Name it 7 Words. Pull it up here. I'm just gonna change my icon and my title name. There we go. You're gonna want to lengthen this for this game. If you guys haven't played this, it's pretty fun. Pretty easy to make, actually. This is what it's gonna look like. I'll put the code in the description. But this is what it'll look like. Right there. You could pause now and do this real fast, but you're gonna need $20 buttons. And then what I do is I change the text. Just copy. You guys can just copy mine right now, and then when you guys get more known with this game, you can make your own. But mine, I just do CE for the first one, and then I also name the button CE, so it makes it easier. And then I'm pretty sure, yeah, I have 2 KNs, one right here and one right here. So I named one KN1 and KN2. And I also have 2 double E's, so I have EE1 and then EE2. And then with these, they're just labels, so you need a label for that. Label for these because you're going to be changing the text when you win. So all the way down, you're going to want to change the text. And then this one's a different label, and then these are all same labels. Then you got another button here. It's going to be the main button that does everything. And then a text box, the only text box in the game. And then this little button here. I'll show you guys how it works. So it gives you a clue. So chess piece, and there's 6 letters. So I already know the answer, but the answer is knight. So you click the first 2 letters, and this, and then HT. Where are you? There it is. Then you click guess, and then it puts a star where the 1 used to be. See, over here has a 1, and then it changes this word to knight. And then, so let's just say you type in something totally wrong, and you want to exit. You just click X, and it goes back. And then, if you guess and it's wrong, it doesn't mark off any points or anything. It just goes back to normal. And then dark basement, I'll just finish this game. Dark basement would be, what did I put that as? Man, I haven't played this in a few days, so I don't really remember. Cellar, that's what it is. CELLAR. Yes. Tasty treat would be a cookie. Gotta love your cookies. On knees, kneeling. Or kneels. Jellyfire. Napalm. Gotta love that napalm. Wet smelling. Musty. And something to eat. Chow. And then usually at the end there'd be like a smiley face or something right here, but I didn't put that in. And I guess I wanted to make it more detailed, like have a bonus word and everything, but I guess I'll do that in a later tutorial. But that's how you play it. And then here's the code for it. Not here. I hate that thing. Here's the code for it, just in case you guys want to see it. So you got the form 1, and then this is all you need in here. And then the private sub for label 23. I'll put all this in the description, but here you guys could pause and like do whatever, type it in. For the win, I made a win substring. So this is the win substring, and basically if the correct word is entered into the box, it'll change the label to a star, or like the numbers used to be, and the label where the hint used to be to night. And then it just makes the keys or the buttons that you entered not visible, so you can't click on them again. And then it changed the text box back to blank, so you could enter in another word. And I just did that for everyone. The win. And then if nothing is entered and you click guess, it just goes back to blank. It doesn't give you an error or anything, so I think error pop-ups would ruin the game. This right here is just the buttons. When you click the button, it writes to the text box, so you have to put in this textbox.text plus the letters, so it like adds to the back of them. I just did that for every button click. Pretty simple. You could make like a start page and everything, but I just did the basic. And then when you click the guess button, I just didn't want to put all that code under here, so I did call win, which I made up there. Alright, ask questions if you guys got any. And I'll be making more tutorials soon.